Linawin lang natin, hindi naman tayo magastos o magarbo, but we are undergoing financial hardship. Kadalasan dito sa Pilipinas, ang salitang field visit ay field collection lamang para i-verify ang account. Hindi to arrest. Hindi ka nila pwedeng ipahiya or takutin. Credit card debt is a civil matter, hindi criminal case. Hindi ka nila pwedeng arestuhin at ikulong. At kung may dumating man na nag-field visit, may karapatan kang maging kalma, may karapatan ka ring hindi i-entertain sila ng matagal. Kung sakali man na diniscuss nila ang utang mo, pwede mo lang sabihin sa kanila, I acknowledge my debt. And I am doing my very best para mabayaran ko. Kahit na sinong lending institution man ang dumating kasi may karapatan ka. And just in case nahirap ka ngayon, financially, pwede mong i-explain sa kanila, I am just undergoing financial hardship right now. Baka hindi mo talaga mabayaran ng buo ang iyong credit card, then you can ask them to assist you on special programs, especially when talagang hindi mo kayang bayaran ng buo ang credit card debt mo. At kung sakaling man meron ka ng communication with the bank regarding restructuring or special payment arrangement, just mention it to them. Sabihin mo sa kanila na I am already coordinating with the bank. At pwede mong ipakita ang conversations ninyo through email that proves you are already communicating with the bank regarding restructuring program or special payment arrangement.